Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to be opening the Jeffree Star Premium Mystery Box. So I'm very excited about this one. I got lots of energy today. I'm ready to open my mystery box. I got some good sleep. I feel like you can tell in my videos sometimes where it's like I've just come from work and I'm trying to make a video. My energy is kind of low. I thought this would be a cool kind of idea. I can get this little mystery box. Don't really know what's in it. I don't really care. It's fun either way. And then I can try out a couple of his products. Now, another reason why I went with the small box is because I'm from Canada and I knew the shipping rate and the exchange rate was going to get me, which it did. By the time everything switched over, it was like $60. So I paid double for this little box. So I hope there's some cute little things in it. I just love mystery boxes. I don't know about anyone else, but did you ever, like as a kid, go to Claire's or Icing's or some kind of like party store and get those mystery bags where you would open them and then there'd be hair clips, like nail polish, a lipstick, something from like a cheap store when you were a kid. Well, I loved getting those bags. Every time I went into Claire's, I would always ask my mom, can I get this bag? And I think it was like $5 or $10 and you get this bag. Was there anything good in it? No, it was all like a little clip, a hair tie. You definitely did not get your money's worth, so we'll see about this box. Let's get to it. All right. So yeah, it did take a while to get it. I know he kept saying like, you know, he sold out, everything went crazy, and I believe it. Opening the little box here. I really enjoy my makeup today. I just cannot get over this highlighter. This is the NYX Cosmetic, that little, I posted on it in my Instagram story. It's this little illuminating powder. I'm gonna find out the price for you guys because it is so good. Like, look at that. That's nice. It just looks really nice and dainty today. Okay, just opening the box. Okay, it's open. Yay! I'm excited. Oh, the first little thing I got is a little pop-it. So let's see. It's the little Jeffree Star logo there, a pop-it. I really didn't even know he had these, to be honest. So this is cool. I have one on the back of my phone. It's the NYX Cosmetic. So might need to do a little update and we can switch it to Jeffree Star. Okay, so that's one of the items there. We also got, this is Velour Lip Liner in Blood Unicorn. So like I said, I've never, like, I know he has, you know, like tons of makeup and stuff, but I don't really know what's good. So if there's something in here that's really good and I'm not that excited, it's just because I don't know what is new, what's good, anything like that. Oh, that's cute. Look at that. So this is Blood Unicorn. Actually, I've heard about this. Weren't people going crazy over like it comes in like a liquid lipstick form too. So that's what I got, a liner, a red lip liner. So I'll definitely use that. I really don't I don't line my lips that much, but you know what? I might try this and kind of like outline all of my lips with it and wear it as a lipstick and put some gloss on it, something like that. So we got that. And let's see, maybe, oh, when I'm finished looking at this stuff, I'll tell you the price of everything and let's see if I got my money's worth out of this. So this one here, it looks like it's purple and it says, I'm royalty. Ooh, very purpley. I can't wait to try these on. I'm gonna make like another little video and then I'll actually apply them on to see what it looks like. Looks really nice though. Smells good. That I will definitely use. And all of this stuff, like, if the colors are a little bit off, like I know I'm still gonna use them because I do all the crazy makeup, so all this stuff will be good for me. So it looks like another one here. This is called a Flamethrower. Orange. That looks nice too. Okay, so 2 more products left. So it looks like we have a highlighter here. It's a Skin Frost Illuminate. Oh my gosh, guys, why can I not talk? Jeez. Okay, we also have a Skin Frost highlighting powder. Here we go. And this is in mint condition, so it's a green. Yeah, it's green. I've seen this before. So this, will I wear it? Probably. Ah. Well, I'll definitely use it for like my crazy makeup looks. I'm probably not gonna wear this out, you know, like on the daily, but that's cool. Nice. That's really big. It's like really weighted too. Cool. So my last little thing, what do we get? A lip ammunition. And this one here is in Baby Spice. So let's see what this baby looks like. Ah, that's cute. Cute. Oh, that's really pretty. So it's like a really, really nice pink. So this is definitely something I could wear all the time. So I purposely didn't put any lip gloss on because I want to try these babies out. Let's see. I'll use the Jeffree Star mirror. So I do have some lip gloss on. I don't know, maybe I should take that off actually. Let me go take that off and then I'm gonna come back and put on the orange. Okay, so I took my lip gloss off there. Let me put on that orange lip shade here and let's see what it looks like. Am I happy with the items? Yes, I am happy with the items. Whoa! Here it is here. It's very, very bright. That's actually really pretty though. Orange. I'll probably wear orange out. That's really nice. It's nice. I just want to see how it dries down because that's my only concern is how it's gonna dry. Oh, I was just reading this one here, the Baby Spice. It says it smells really good. Let's see. I didn't even smell it. Oh wow. That does smell really nice. Oh, out of the box, let me see here. Let me look up the prices and I want to tell you what they are. So the Skin Frost, the mint condition. So this was already $30 by itself. So there's already your price. Now, like I said, it might be a color. I feel like this was probably a color that doesn't sell that well, but ooh, I would have loved if there was like an ice gold or peach goddess. Obviously those probably sell a lot, but to be honest, $30 for that, that's actually a really, really reasonable price. This is huge. Okay, the lip ammunition is $18. Those look like those are 18 as well. So 3 that are 18, 1 that's 30, that little pop it probably like $5. And then let's see this lip blood unicorn lip liner. Is it a velour? Yeah, Velour Lip Liner. $16. Okay, so let's do the math. I definitely need to use a calculator because, you know, these 3 here are $18. So let's see, 18 times 3. Quick, do you know what it is? Because I don't. $54 for all 3 of these. And then we said this here, the mint condition Skin Frost is $30. Oh my gosh, I seriously just want to get another one out. That's huge. Like, do we see how freaking huge this thing is? Oh my gosh. And then what did I say? This was 16. So plus 30 plus 16 plus the little pop-it, probably $5. So altogether, honestly, probably like $105. So I spent, the time I got my shipping and all that shenanigans, $60. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching this unboxing. I had fun doing it. It was really exciting. And let me know in the comments, have you tried out Jeffree Star Cosmetics before? Do you like them? What is your favorite product? If not, do you watch Jeffree Star on YouTube? Because I do. I love watching his videos. They're so funny. And yeah, that's what I got in my little mystery box. Again, that is it, guys. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. The cruelty-free vegan. Okay guys, I just want to say that this lipstick is like stuck on my lips. Can you see that? Look at that. It really takes a lot of wiping to get that off. I think that's a good thing though, because then you know it's not gonna like move around when you're eating. There we go. Come here, Tippy. Hi. Hi, Tippy. You little cutie. In this video, we are going to be... Tippy. She's crazy.